Up, this is Yashwar. We are going to see a very small Lightroom trick, and I'm going to call it faking autumn in India. We have like two photos here, this one, and then we have this one too, a family of elephants. Now we're going to see very quickly how to fake autumn in India. Of course, there is one particular region in the Bandipur forest where things really look very autumnish. I really apologize for that word, but still it looks very much like Canada. But of course there are other regions of the Nilgiri forest which never looks like it's in autumn, because autumn in India just means leaves falling. There isn't a large number of vegetation going gold or brown. So in this very quick tutorial, which you can use either for wildlife or for nature photography, just to fake things to make things look good. Please don't do it on your marriage profiles, but you can do it on wildlife photos in Lightroom. Okay, two totally different things. Just don't take one advice from one thing and apply it to another. Okay, don't be stupid. So in this video we are going to edit these two wildlife photos, and I'm going to show you just one very little teeny weeny trick to how to fake autumn. So first up we have the temperature. You have to slide it up slowly towards the warm side, because all of us know autumn has a lot to do with the colors yellow, gold and brown. So and then this picture is a little too exposed, so exposure goes down a bit. Little bit of contrast here. I am increasing the contrast here because you can see that the light streaks are just breaking through the vegetation and falling on the grass, and it's falling on the deer as well. So I want to bring it up, then reducing the whites a little, and then reducing the blacks as well to bring up the contrast, increasing the clarity, reducing a bit of saturation, and then increasing vibrance. And then I want to crop this photo as well, because this deer is present very much higher in the frame. So I just crop it and bring it to a little bit, with a bit of positive space. Yeah, that's better. A bit of positive space, and bring it up here. And then I go straight to the HSL panel, and over here I'll hit the green and then push it towards the yellow side. So as I push towards the yellow side, you can see the green turning a bit dark brown and gold, which is actually the look which we are going for. And then you increase the vibrance, you decrease the saturation, you increase the contrast a bit, and then we go down to the tone curve. The tone curve is where you bring in a bit of fade in order to make the picture look more westernish. Make an S curve out of it, and saturation, yellow, a little bit green too, a little bit. So in contrast to the first image, we have a bit more yellow and gold going on, which was actually the look which we were going for. And now let's go to the second image. Here you see the matriarch and the baby's mother guiding the baby to safety away from a safari van. Very selfish, taking the baby for themselves. So we are increasing the contrast, decreasing the whites a bit, increasing the clarity. Increasing the clarity because elephants look great because of their wrinkles. And we are lifting up the base of the curve, bringing it down towards the middle, and then the top part of the curve goes down as well, so that it forms a little S. And now for the hues. We slowly dislodge the green button towards the yellows, and in order to bring in that autumn yellow fresh look to the image, and it looks great. And maybe I'll add a little bit of a gradient filter from the bottom because the bush in front is very distracting. I'll decrease. No, that's too much. That's too much. The temperature is also messed up. Okay. Temperature, bring it the same, and then increase the exposure a bit. There we go, a very small tip to fake autumn in India. And I hope you guys would like this little tip, and let's see how it goes. Goodbye and bye.